Hello and welcome to That's the Point. This is a place to talk about all things construction positioning, and today we're poised to do just that. My name is Jonathan Stickle, joined by my colleague and demo driver, Corey Meyer. Corey, how are you doing today?
I'm doing good. Ready to do some demos.
Very good. So today is a timely topic and one that has been bubbling up at the support desk with increasing regularity. We're going to go through the steps to convert your perpetual Trimble software to a subscription version.
Yeah, we are indeed, Jonathan. And so as Trimble continues the subscription transition, these steps are something that you're likely to have to complete at one point or another. But the good news is it's rather straightforward and simple to do.
Yeah, and your building point representative is going to be around to give you a hand throughout the process. It does involve some behind the scenes to ensure that it goes seamlessly.
It does. There is some work in the back end, but your local building point rep is there. And they will let you know the first step, which is to make sure to let you know, to give you a heads up, that your perpetual license is ready to switch over to subscription. And then once they do that, we can then perform these simple steps.
Yeah, and to be clear, this process works for building applications. So think FieldLink, FieldPoints, FieldLink Office.
Yep. And note, with those three in mind, you're ready to convert. Your building point specialist has confirmed that you're ready to make the swap. Let's jump into Windows and make that happen. So we've got our normal Trimble tablet here. It's got FieldLink already installed. The first step we're going to do is we're actually going to uninstall it. So I'm just going to go to the Start menu. I'm going to go to the search bar, and just for simplicity, I'm just going to type Add, because we want to bring up the Add or Remove Programs feature within Windows, just core of Windows. And we're going to scroll down to FieldLink. We're going to type the three dots on the side, and we are going to uninstall it. So you have to uninstall to convert over. So we're just going to click uninstall. And we're going to say yes. There it goes.
And my colleague and demo driver, Corey.
All right, FieldLink was successfully removed. We'll tap OK. Now what we want to do is we're actually going to run Trimble Installation Manager. So I'm just going to double tap on that. Say yes to run it. And these steps work on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now, once everything is uninstalled from here, you might actually see that FieldLink, it just gives a list of all the applications. You just want to make sure that FieldLink is selected up here. If that Show All button, it might look different like this, but we're just going to select just FieldLink. So we're going to scroll down, and somehow, there we go. We're just going to look at FieldLink. Once we open this up, we can see that it now says FieldLink subscriptions, and it has FieldLink app subscription. The subscription is written all over this, so we know that we're on the right track. We also have a clip of a screen grab of an older version that was not yet unlocked for subscriptions, and you can see that it just says applications. It's highlighted right up there on your screen. That indicates that it's not ready, so that's why we wanted to make sure that the building point person, your point of contact, was in the loop on this and made sure that it was ready to go, because we have to remove that token from the serial number. But once that's completed, now that it says FieldLink subscriptions, app subscription, we can just go ahead and tap install, and that's going to install the new FieldLink version that is the subscription model. Type next, and we'll accept the terms and install.
Corey Meyer. Corey, how you doing today?
Doing good, man. Doing good.
Very good. So today is a time.
Okay, so it's complete, and we'll just tap Finish. And through the magic of editing, that was the quickest install ever. We see the green checkbox, and we now know that we're good to go. So we'll let that finish running. All right, the installation is done. We'll tap Finish. And through the magic of editing, we're good to go. Now, we simply load up on FieldLink, so we double tap on the app icon, and it'll begin to launch Trimble FieldLink, which will now bring the login screen, which is a whole nother can of worms. And we do have a ton of videos that are available on that we're going to add in the link below in the description if you're not able to then log into your tablet from this point on.
Yeah, but as far as the installation goes, you're ready to rock, and your application is now converted to a subscription. So thanks, Corey, for walking us through that.
Yeah, my pleasure.
And again, your building point representative is here to help every step of the way. You should never feel alone during this process. So reach out, and they'll be happy to lend a hand. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all the latest tips, tricks, and pointers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on That's the Point.